Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel 2023. Here we go. I'm going to be showing you today how I get my makeup, how I do my everyday makeup. I have a load of products in front of me and I've just created this look, so if you want to know how I do it, let's get into it. This is going to be really annoying, but Estee Lauder, you need to bring this back. This is my wonder product. And you can only get it in, well, I can only find it in Paris. So every time I run out, I just go to Paris to get, I bought like 10. But it is the Estee Lauder BB Highlight. And I use it just on the eyes as like a base. I'll use it again later on, but I love it. It's probably similar to YSL Touche Éclat, but I just prefer this one. I use the shade 0N. I really want to go get a lash lift. To stop me having to curl my eyelashes so much. We go in first with like a really light coat of mascara from like an old dry one, just so like the second time I curl them, they curl really easily. I'm gonna go in with the Scandaleyes Rimmel liquid liner. I don't do much, I just like fill in between the lashes. I then use the Dior Backstage, my favorite eyeshadow palette. Reason being, they're just so good to blend. Okay, I'm just gonna go in with the Fenty Beauty bronzer and just put like a faint tan on my eyes, like in the brow line, brow bone. I use one of these brushes. It's like a pointy one. I can't remember where this is from. I'll link it down below though. And I just blend in like a little bit of a liner. I just find it a lot more subtle with the eyeshadow rather than like a solid line. It's also a lot easier to do. And then I kind of just blend the black in with the brown. I honestly find this process so therapeutic. Like if ever I'm stressed, I will just get ready for the sake of it and do my makeup because it puts me in such a calm zen mood. I guess it's like quite similar to painting. And then I'll go back in with the Fenty Beauty bronzer and just buff it out. I think the key with eyeshadow is to like go in slowly and blend. I just love Dior Backstage. It's one of my favorite brands for like beauty products. These two top ones in particular create the most gorgeous highlight. I use it on my cheeks and on my eyelids. It is beautiful. So that's kind of eyes done, and I'm gonna go back in with the eyelash colors. I literally curl my eyelashes like 3 times. That's why I just need to go get a lash lift done, don't I? I got really put off by a lash lift because last time I got them done, I think I went to a dodgy place and they all fell out. Just going in with the Double Wear Estee Lauder BB concealer. I do love the Beauty Pie one. That is also a very, very good one. I just have this in a darker tone and I can't, but I'd say those were my top ones at the moment. And now the key with concealer, Double is quite it stays, like it's not moving, but the key is I think I go in so lightly with it that like there's barely anything on the brush. Going over the trouble zone. I've had such a pesky chin at the moment. Absolute stress. I'm using the shade 2N for reference. These are so hard to get a hold of as well. I don't know what is happening with Estee Lauder. All my favorite products are like impossible to find. I don't know if you can see these patches here. So these are old melasma spots, and I've been using Sun Fader by New Derm. This is a whole different video I need to talk you through. But my fake tan has clung to the patches because the New Derm leaves it quite dry. So I think I need to leave off the fake tan. In fact, they do tell you not to fake tan when you use it. But if you guys suffer from melasma patches or like pigmentation, I'm going to talk about this in my skincare video because honestly, I know the trick you can get rid of them. Don't think that you're stuck with them. Mine were terrible. Don't take this as an example because that's actually just fake tan clung to it. But yeah, I'll talk to you about that in my next video because honestly, game changer. I'm gonna kind of just go in with my finger where it probably needs more coverage. I've got really red marks around my nose. I need to get that sorted. I feel like laser would sort that right out. Okay, this is the Estee Lauder highlight again. I find really good for not getting in the creases. Like, it's my favorite, because when your skin matures, those eye wrinkles, they come in fast. And then this is a wet beauty blender sponge. I feel like this product makes you go from like sleepy to awake. It is amazing, and I'm so sorry if it's out of stock, but hopefully if you guys are embarrassed. Actually, I don't know why I'm telling you this, because I kind of want them all for myself. Basically, if you guys find them anywhere, let me know. And if Estee Lauder are watching, you need to bring it back. Like, why discontinue such an amazing product? Charlotte Tilbury, I think this is the Flawless Finish Powder. Fenty Beauty, yeah, eyebrows. I really need to do them. I go slightly above the cheekbone. TikTok told me this is what I'm meant to do, so we're doing it. I feel like it lifts the face up more. And then we do the jawline, and then I kind of blend it all in. Do a bit of bronze on the FOD. Beauty by blush. I love a bit of rosiness. Then going with the Dior Backstage highlight just at the top of the cheekbones. Okay, brow time. I just brushed them out. This is what I should have done at the beginning. It's the Benefit Gimme Brow. I feel like this is a firm favorite for me. In fact, this is a little bit dried out, so I probably need a new one. Definitely need a new one. There's not much product on it at all, but kind of get it pushed out. God, that's a crazy brow. Then I use the MAC. This is shade Brunette. It's like the eyebrow pencil. Then I just fill in the gaps, really. I do also dye my eyebrows. That's about all I do to them. Every so often I'll whack like a dark. My eyebrows are pretty blonde, so they just stand out more. And then I kind of set them with, this is the Beauty Pie gel. It kind of just keeps them in place. Okay, brows done. I'm now gonna go back in and do the final coat of mascara. So I'm gonna curl them one more time. I'm actually gonna use the Fenty Beauty Mascara. I only use the NARS one. I do love the NARS. I just had this, so I've been using this, but both are great. I used the NARS one just because it was dried out. I'm not gonna lie, it's probably not even my last coat. Okay, now I've started doing like a little contour of the nose, just like down both sides. I don't know why. I feel like it just makes my nose look cuter. Okay, so this is one of my favorite hacks. I put in bronzer around the outside of my lips. And then buff it in with the brush. I did this in such a strange order, don't I? Okay, Estee Lauder Double Wear Eyeliner. I'm an inside liner girl. I'm an Estee Lauder girl as well, aren't I? And then I just do it on the upper lash as well, just because I think it makes the eyelashes look thicker. I then go in with my brow pencil and just like blend that out a little bit. Also do a little bit of the brown underneath. Go in with the blusher, just put that under there. I then run some of the blusher through the lids as well, just to like draw it all in. Okay, I'm waiting for the top lash to dry. I'm gonna go in with one more coat. So whilst we do that, I'm gonna do the lips. I feel like I look totally naked until the lips. My lips are really see-through, like the same color as my skin. I really want to try. I want someone to recommend or see someone who's had it done. The lip tattoo, where they like tattoo the color of your lip. Rimmel lip liner Spice 11. I have used this since the dawn of time. It's just my color. gonna go in with a dark one. This is MAC Ruby Roo, I think. It's just like a red one. Just around the center. Totally love this. Again, I think it's discontinued or sold out, but it's I use a lot of matte, like stuff that stays, but really, really lightly. So like looks as if you've barely got anything on at all. One more coat of mascara. I've zoomed you in, so hopefully you can see a bit better. Okay, top lashes done. I feel like I've got a little bit of hair, but we're just gonna ignore that. Bottom lashes, I do the same. I go in with the dry one just to like get them in the right place. You'll notice that it's all, for makeup with me, it's all about building and blending. Like I don't ever go in like full hog. So this is a slightly more. I always have to have a load of mascaras of different consistencies just so I can like build on it. In fact, I feel like I'm gonna go buy a new one of this NARS one, and I do love this mascara. I'm gonna go in over the top with the Fenty just because it's like new and juicy. I'm such a perfectionist, aren't I? I just like, I could spend hours doing my makeup, but I could also get ready in 5 minutes. I just love like, I don't know, painting, I guess. Go over my beauty spot. Then I'm gonna put on some highlighter on my brow bone. I feel like this goes on better with the finger. And I'm just gonna finish off adding the Beauty Pie lip balm, nourishing lip balm over the top. I think we're done. This is it. This is the final look. And there we have it. I think we're done. Yeah, I think that's it. My everyday kind of go-to makeup. I'll link all the products down below. I hope you enjoyed it. Do you want to zoom in a little bit more? Guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed me creating this look. Let me know if you want more of this. I'm going to experiment, so please subscribe if you're new here, and I'll see you next time for another video.